Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going back to my cloud pours because this is just where I feel like being, because obviously the last few days haven't been that great. And I had some of these paints were already mixed. Obviously I had my cloud pour mixed. I had some old cloud pour, but I was waiting for my satin enamel to come in, and it finally did come in. So here is my satin enamel by Deco Art, and the paints I'm going to use today. I have Liquitex. I have Hookah Green, Hookah's U Green by Liquitex. I have Australian Salmon Gum, and that's by Matisse, and I got that at Blick. And I got Southern Ocean Blue, and that would be this color right here. And that is also, I got that from Blick. That's from Matisse. And I got a beautiful Prussian blue, but that's from Matisse also. And I have that right here. So I have all those colors mixed. I have a leftover here, which was Aztec Gold, 24 karat extra, Extreme Sheen, and Deco Art Metallic, all mixed together. And I have that together right here. And I'm going to pour that into a cup. And I'm going to use my silicone cup here, and we're gonna go for it. So hopefully, let's get you in view here of the cup and of what I'm doing, and let's get to it. And I'm gonna put some of this paints in between, some of the cloud paints in between. I don't want that. There we go. Maybe that's a little better. Getting a little shadow here. So let's see. Okay. Hope everybody's been doing well. I'm doing a little nighttime painting today. Took a little rest today. And oh, I want that tripping over so quickly. I wanted this to get a chance to sink in a little bit. It's looking quite pretty already. Look at that. Close up my containers here. Get them out of the way. Yeah, look at those clouds pushing through. I am loving what's developing here. I think this is worthy of all my fails in the last few days. Just take some of this paint and throw it along the edges here. Okay, I'm going to stop it here. Take a few pictures, and we'll be back in about half hour. Hi everyone, I'm back, and I'm going to say about 20 minutes has passed, and this has turned out to be absolutely beautiful. There's nothing I want to do with this. I love every single piece. There's nothing I don't like about it. So happy with the way this came out. Absolutely beautiful. All the colors, the way the cloud effect came out. I got a great, I got my green in there. I got the Prussian blue. All that gold. I can't believe got so much gold in there. And the green shining through over it. It's just gorgeous. Really stunning piece. Very happy with the way the outcome of this. And yeah, this was a good day for sure. Very good day.